selfie stick on.
Yeah. Are you recording?
I'm recording, mate. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Brilliant, so we're both recording.
Do you mind letting me know next time you start recording?
Okay.
Yeah? Besides with this guy.
Recording all the individual. So I'm wondering what you're doing.
Yeah, the same.
Okay, I'm sure in the safety of the building.
Yeah.
So what are you doing?
Just filming.
Okay. If you could come up in public area, that would be brilliant.
This is public.
Get reports saying you can go around the back.
No, I haven't. Definitely haven't been around the back.
There.
Well, if I have, then I'm not there now, am I?
Okay, that's what I'm saying.
Okay.
So if you don't go to a private area, that'll be absolutely fine. There'll be no problems. All right.
Okay. This isn't a private area.
Thank you. That's how we said if there are. Stop recording now.
All right. No need for the attitude. Like. Could you identify as well? Would you mind identifying? I can't hear you, mate. I will pick it back up. Yeah, I'm making a video.
Of what?
The police building.
Okay, why are you filming people's cars when they're coming out of there then? Because they're personal cars, aren't they?
Yeah, because they're in public.
Well, they're not in public at the moment.
Who are you?
I'm a police officer.
All right.
You want to see my ID?
Yeah, I would really expect you to show it to me.
Here you go. Detective Sergeant Jamie Wiseman.
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
And any detective work to be getting on with, or
Well, no, I'm due to be
more
going
worried
home now.
about? All right, then go home then.
No, I'm more worried about you filming people's private cars. Police officers get a bit jumpy about that.
Why?
Why?
Something
Because
to
people
hide or
don't like
something?
us.
Okay,
Some
well I'm
people
not.
have a
I'm
vengeance
not.
against police officers,
Well,
and
I'm
you're filming
don't-
our personal cars when we come out.
But I don't.
That makes me very jumpy.
Just to let you know as well, we're from one video as well. Okay.
All right. Why are you? What are you jumpy about?
When my personal details going out on social media or something like that.
Like you're just assuming that it's gonna go on social media. Do you know any of this? Like you're just assuming.
No, I'm
that.
asking you.
Okay. What do you want me to say? Like
Well, I want you to tell me what you're going to do with that information.
it's my own recreation, whatever I please to do with it.
So what makes you want to do it then?
I'm not interested in anyone's private plates. Who can pull information from your reg?
So why are you filming the cars when they come out of there then?
Because this is what I'm choosing to do with my time today.
Yeah, but why are you doing that? Did you
Because
say
I
you're
wanna
not
film.
interested in people's private
No,
plates?
I'm not.
You're recording when they come out of there.
What can I do with someone's private plate? Only yourselves in the
I've got
DVLA
no
could
idea.
pull that
I've got
info.
no idea.
Okay, well rest
But
assured, I'm not
it makes
interested.
me feel very uncomfortable.
All right, well, Sergeant, rest assured, I'm not interested in harming anyone or using your plate for any sort of
And also,
ulterior motives.
being a police station, okay, this is a target of anyone for anything. And that makes me quite nervous that you're actually filming a police station.
Well, I can do it. I'm in public. I can film any police station I like. Do you think this is a valuable target for
Yeah, I do.
who?
I've got no idea.
Like who?
It's a police station.
What, has this police station been attacked before? Like, where's the basis for this argument coming from? Like, okay, what's the fact? Is it? All right, well, I'm just like rest assured, I'm not here for no trouble.
Something further. Have you been anywhere else today? No? Been filming other police stations at all?
Is it your business?
Yeah, it is. I'm asking you now, yeah. Because if you're going around filming all the police stations, that
Yeah.
makes me feel very uneasy.
Right.
And
So
I think
what
I
are you trying to
need
do?
to investigate that.
Okay, what do you want to investigate?
Why you are filming Hampshire police stations? Is my conversation not clear? Are you not clear on what I'm saying?
I can film any police station, whether it's Hampshire, Surrey, any county.
Your personal details.
No, I won't. No.
First name, surname, date of birth, anything like that, address.
Why? Have I committed an offence?
I'm not saying you haven't, just asking the question if you're willing to provide police that
You seem
information.
very on edge. Is there anything I can do to put you at
No, I
ease?
told you I'm on edge.
This is a camera, mate. I've given you assurances that I'm not here for any trouble.
Have I explained that? Have you not registered that?
I don't even think you are on edge. There's three of you. I've got a camera. Like you guys are armed. Like why would you be on edge? Should I not be the one that's on
Because
edge?
when we're coming out in personal vehicles.
Yeah, but what can I possibly do with your personal vehicle?
tell me.
Then you should maybe consider taking the bus to work or something. I don't really
So why
understand.
should myself and my colleagues or our way of getting to work?
Because you're so concerned about security arrangements and whatnot. So if it's such a security risk,
I'll tell you why, because police officers get attacked on and off duty.
Right.
That's what makes me nervous.
Okay.
And they do that because people share our private information and track us down to where we live with our families. That makes me nervous.
so has there been any cases of someone filming private plates and then going on to attack
I've got no
police
idea.
officers? Well, if you don't have any idea, then you can't be making those assumptions. Like.
Well, I can.
Well, no, you just said
Because
I have no idea. Like you're a detective,
I
mate.
work in this industry, in the security industry, and I know police officers have been followed home. I know police officers' vehicles have been targeted.
Okay, well, I'm telling
I know
you
that.
that I'm not interested in harming any police
Yeah, but I
officer.
don't know that, do I?
All right, well then, what are we gonna? All right, how are we gonna proceed then?
Well, I'd like you to go if possible.
So is that gonna like? What does that achieve? Like, I'm not gonna go.
Well, it makes me feel better. I don't understand why you want to put me on this edge.
I'm not putting you. You're putting yourself. I don't even think you are on edge. I feel like you want to come out and bark a few directives and stuff. Like,
Right, no directives.
I feel like you want to flex a bit of perceived jurisdiction that you've got.
Really,
Like,
I'm too old for that. Really, if I'm honest.
all right, well then let's leave it at that. It's Friday afternoon. I've engaged. I've told you I'm not here for trouble. Like, I feel like
You haven't given a good reason for doing it.
don't need a reason though. What I'm doing is lawful.
I'm not saying it's not lawful.
Okay, so why would I need a reason?
It's just like my colleagues explaining it.
Do I have to account for my actions in a public place doing something legal? You can find it strange. It's not illegal if it's strange. Like, I don't have to say anything.
It's definitely suspicious behaviour around police stations in the current state of affairs around the world. Isn't it?
What state of affairs?
When people are getting, well, police officers getting injured, like my colleagues said, on off duty, it just makes it's a bit concerning.
But on the basis of being filmed, like.
It's like, we keep going around in circles now, don't we? But is there anything you need to report to us today?
No.
Is that the reason why you're here?
No.
No? Why are you here though?
To film.
Why to film?
Because this
are
is
you
what I
achieving
want to do.
filming? Do you not see from our point of view that it could be considered a bit of a security risk?
No.
Why? Okay.
Because I'm not trying to. I'm not doing it covertly. I'm doing it very overt, right in front of your face. I'm giving you ample opportunity to grab me, like
It may
prospective.
It may make other members of the public that see you doing this, and obviously police officers and police staff coming out of here, be on edge. Why is he filming me? Okay.
Because we're in public. You guys have got cameras everywhere. Like, you're filming.
And there's
Like,
CCTV all the way around.
of
the
course
city,
there
isn't
is, exactly. So what? I don't know why we've got such a
And obviously today
front
we've got another
about
Do you not think
filming.
that the police station could be a security risk?
Is it not a secure building? Like,
Wasn't my question. Do you concede that people may want to target a police station?
no,
You don't concede.
because it's not. I don't think it's a valuable target. I don't know what sort of people you're referring to.
But anyone, terrorists for one. But anyone, terrorists for one.
Okay, well, I don't believe that this is a valuable target for a terrorist. It's not like a civilian dense place, is it?
No, but it's related.
It
to
wouldn't
a
be
government
easy to plan.
organisation. People like to target the government. And the
They
police.
don't though,
How
do they?
that.
Terrorists don't target government, do they? They
Yeah.
go for they
That's why
blow
it's
up
called
buses
terrorism.
or
No,
train
that's why it's
stations and
called
that.
terrorism. Because it's specifically.
Or to coerce the government into doing something, yeah.
Yeah, exactly right. You got it. See, you're starting to get it now.
Well, I've never not got it. I just don't think that this is a valuable target for a terrorist. I don't think police personnel are targets for terrorists. Excuse me?
Are you even filming?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not a terrorist. Like,
Just holding your phone, or is it run out of battery or anything? Or
no, I'm holding it.
still working some of it?
Why do you want to have a
Just
look?
asking.
No, you're good. But just chill, man. Like, why you got such an attitude, man? It's filming, bro. Rest assured, it's filming. Like, I don't think this is a valuable target for a terrorist. Has the police station ever been attacked
Yeah.
by a terrorist? Has they?
Yeah.
Which one?
Stations have been attacked quite regularly.
I don't think they have.
Okay.
Well, name one then. So you can't name them, but you're saying that it's happening. Well, which one then?
I can tell you, but I won't.
What?
I can tell you, but I won't.
You can tell me, but you won't.
Yeah.
All right, that's a bit odd. I don't know why.
You're not giving a reason for being here.
But I'm not making an argument that police stations have been attacked before.
Okay. Search the internet. You might find some information.
I have. I wouldn't be irresponsible and do this if I didn't know that. If this was like a genuine security risk and this genuinely posed a threat, I wouldn't be irresponsible and come and do this. Believe me. And if this was behaviour that I knew that terrorists engaged in,
But it is.
I would
They
have.
film
No, it's
targets. They definitely-
overtly
Well, they might
with
do.
this little crappy
How do I
little
know you're
gimbal.
not a terrorist? How do I know that? How do I know that?
You don't know that, but you have to go
Exactly
based on
right.
what you do know. There needs to be an objective basis.
What I do know is I've got a man who's not willing to give his details stood in front of me who's filming police stations.
Okay.
So that's what I do know. That's the facts.
Okay.
Is it not?
So me filming does not implicate me as any sort of like prospective terrorist
No,
or
but it raises
otherwise.
my suspicion.
Well, you can be suspicious all you want. Like, it's not a crime. You suspecting me of doing something is not a crime. You need to have some sort of reasonable suspicion or objective basis to suspect me as a terrorist.
No, well, at the moment, I think you are filming a police station
Yeah.
with no reason to do that.
Mm-hmm.
You are refusing to give your details. I have no idea where that information's going, and I know you have filmed other Hampshire police stations.
Okay, so how do we proceed?
I don't know, do we have a power of search? Section 44? 43, is it? I think we can do that. I think we could do that.
Sure you want to do that?
Oh, yeah, I do.
I don't think you've got grounds for a
I'm
Section
telling you-
43 search.
Well, I'm telling you, I think I do, okay? So,
Yeah, well, it's not about thinking. This is objective. It's not an opinion,
Okay,
is it?
okay, look.
The legislation's black and white. It's not I think.
you can have this conversation with the solicitor afterwards, and they can come after me at a later date. That's absolutely fine, okay?
Okay.
That's your right.
So you're going to abuse my rights now, yeah?
Okay, no, I'm not. I'm going to use our powers. So what I'm saying, I find your behaviour very suspicious.
Okay.
You are filming not just this police station in Hampshire, but other police stations in Hampshire. You can give me no
Listen
legal
to what you're saying,
you can
Hampshire.
give me no legal reason why you are doing
Okay.
that, other than because you want to.
Yeah,
You are
that's- I don't
refusing your
need a
details,
reason.
So we can't even verify who you are or what you are doing it for. Therefore,
not obliged to
I
give
consider
details.
that to be quite a big terrorist risk. Okay, so you are now detained for this search.
Okay.
Okay, under what is it, Section 43 of the Terrorism Act.
Can I leave this running?
Okay, of course you can, absolutely. So these officers are going to search you now in order to see if there is anything that needs to raise that suspicion even further.
What items? Who's conducting the search firstly?
These two are going to conduct the search.
But you've just
Yeah, I'll give
launched
you
with
the
it. So what are these officers going to be searching for?
Anything related to terrorism.
Such as
or
what? That's a bit abstract, isn't it? Any sort of
Well, it
specific
is.
items?
Not at the moment. That's what
Maps?
that's what we are doing it for. To confirm who you are. That may help us.
So you're searching for my ID?
Well, no, and anything related to terrorism. So if all of a sudden we find ID and
Yeah.
that says actually this bloke's okay, there's nothing to worry about.
I'm like,
Or it
I am
might say
okay.
he's
I've
on a
told
terrorist-
you I'm okay.
Yeah, I know you've told me, but I don't know that. Or it might say he's on a terrorist watch list, and then we've got something to worry about, haven't we? So
You're not going to find my info
Okay,
though.
that's fine, but they're going to search you for that purpose.
This
okay?
power doesn't. I don't have to provide my information with this power.
No, I'm not asking to provide anything. I'm
But you
saying
just
they're
said
gonna search you.
you're hoping to find ID, this and that. Like,
Yeah, if they find it, we'll look at it. That's what's going to happen.
can I get your collar number, please?
Yeah, 3358. Detective Sergeant Jamie Wiseman, Southampton Police Station, Hampshire.
It's abusing civil rights at the moment. Yeah, it's my
Okay.
perfect right to film it for public.
Yeah, of course you have.
Yeah. So why are you infringing on that?
I've told you that. Have you not understood what I've said?
You know you can be sued in a civil court.
That's absolutely fine. You can go down that route. I haven't got a problem with that.
You sure you want to do this?
Yeah,
All right.
I do.
Okay, I'm not going to obstruct the search.
Okay.
My colleague's going to do the search.
All right.
What's your first name? Are we able to
I'm not going to give you my name, my friend.
It's just so we can have better communication
Okay.
skills. That's all
All
it
right.
is.
Can I keep this in my hand? This big guy. I'm not going to.
So all I want to do is so I can communicate with you, so I can tell you what I'm going to do.
All right.
before I
No,
do
you
it.
crack on, mate.
So what's your name?
I'm not going to give my.
first name. That's all I want.
Is this a search or is this trying to find my details? Like, I don't really
So
understand. What...
you've already been told the grounds.
All right. Why don't you call me sir? How about that?
Right, sir, you've already been told the grounds. So
Okay.
PC file from Southampton Central Police
Alright.
Station. The reason we're searching you is because you're acting suspicious outside a police
I
station.
thought he explained the grounds.
Yeah, no, we've got to go through something prior to doing the search.
Go wisely, yeah.
Okay, there you go. Yes,
Let my colleague explain it.
there we go.
Sure.
Okay, so that's obviously the grounds for the search. You can see my warrant card if you'd like to see my
No,
warrant
it's cool.
card. Okay.
Let's get on with it.
The search is in order to essentially see if there is anything that you have on your possessions that is involved with terrorism, okay, or anything, okay. Is that right? You can have a copy of the search if you
Yes,
would like
please.
a
Yes,
copy of
please.
the
Yes,
search.
please. Yes, please.
Okay.
You're detained for the purpose of
You're detained for the section 44. Okay, if you
All
step forward for me, just so I don't.
Steve Grant, wait for your waste for public search. In the meantime, maybe take your bag off the shelf, please.
This ain't good, you know.
Hey?
Sergeant, this isn't good. Like, you should be like preserving people's rights. Like you should be encouraging.
Sharp or anything like that?
No.
Sir?
You should be encouraging like this sort of citizen journalism and stuff. Like you got to work with photographers and stuff like that to help identify criminals and that. You know what I mean? You wanna go put on a jacket or something?
I am a bit cold, but I'm all right.
You weren't dealing with a terrorist, like.
Carry ID with you.
No.
Do you drive?
Yeah.
You drive. How did you arrive here today?
I know.
Train. It's been a Fareham today, haven't you? And then the station's just there, so possibly been travelling by train.
Search your waistband.
Yeah.
Say again, sorry.
Pronto work.
Yes, it does, mate. Yeah.
Get straight your arm out for me. I'm just going to check that.
Local to Southampton. Local to Fareham. Local to here.
No.
Where did you come from then?
I'm not gonna answer that.
Just going to check the front.
Travelling in by car, is that where you got
Yeah.
Mercedes keys on you? The bag as well, mate.
So what? Could you go over the grounds one more time?
Done it.
So what are the grounds? The fact that I'm filming and not giving my name.
been explained by the sergeant. It's been explained by my colleague as well.
Oh, what's these? This is the armed response unit, is it? Is this like the counter-terrorism unit? No, I'm not being funny, genuinely. No, you don't want to answer.
I don't find this funny either.
No.
I find this...
Would you find it? Potential terrorist behaviour, is it? Is that what you find
at
it?
the end of the day, we're just exercising our powers where we feel they're right.
Yeah.
And we're dealing with what we see in front of us, alright?
Right. So you done with that? Like, do you want to help keep... Why are you keeping hold of that?
Open and closing it. That's what we're doing, is open and closing.
Oh, can I have my property back?
No, not yet. We haven't finished the search. Still detained for this moment of time.
Yeah.
72.
Who are they? That the counter-terrorism unit?
Is it?
Is it? Yeah. No.
Counter-terrorism unit don't work here.
Can I get my stuff back, bro?
You're still detained for the purpose of search at the moment.
What about, do you want to check that this isn't like a weapon or something?
Should we?
I don't know. Like, you need to do a comprehensive search. Like, don't leave any stone unturned.
Sorry, Charlie. Ready to run out.
You know, if you keep abusing this legislation, like, you're going to lose it, you know. You were going to say Section 44, like, that was repelled because you were just searching people without no ground. Not you, but officers were searching people with no grounds.
Decision's way above my pay grade.
No, I know, of course, but, like, the European Court of Human Rights repelled that legislation for this reason. So, like, the more cases of this Section 43 power being used and negative outcomes of searches and whatnot, eventually you're going to lose it.
Okay.
And I believe it's an important piece of legislation to actually catch real terrorists. I'll be interested to know how many of these searches resulted in in convictions. I know you can't. I don't think there have been any. I'll be interested to know if any convictions have come as a result. Can you? I don't know why he's holding on to my property still.
Because you're still detained for a search at the moment.
Okay.
Uh, 24 to 36.
Were you expecting to find like an ISIS membership card or something like?
Tattoos or anything? Any tattoos? Let's go for this property.
Why does it matter?
I'm asking you to see if I can help. See if I can help myself.
Well, why am I going to help you? I don't have to assist you. I don't have to assist you in an investigation, do I?
It's not an investigation.
Rice vs. Connolly, 1966. I don't have to assist you. Just letting you know my position, like.